Good morning, everyone. Myself, I am G. Charan from Tripoli branch. Today's my tech talk topic on electrical power generation system is safety aspects in dry storage of spent nuclear fuel in long-term operation for Brazilian nuclear power plant. The dry storage of spent nuclear fuel in long-term operation for Brazilian nuclear power plants involves several safety aspects to ensure the protection of workers, the public, and the environment. Here are some key safety considerations. First one, robust design. The dry storage system must have a robust design to withstand external hazards such as earthquakes, floods, and extreme weather conditions. They should be designed with adequate structural integrated shielding and containment to prevent any reasons of radioactive material. Safety is a critical aspect when it comes to the dry storage of spent nuclear fuel in long term operation. Here are some key safety considerations and practices for the dry storage. For the dry storage of spent nuclear fuel in Brazilian nuclear power plant. First one, design and engineering. The design of dry storage system should be considered robust safety of spent fuel. The storage facility should be designed to withstand the hazards such as earthquakes, floods, and extreme weather conditions. The containers used for dry storage should be designed to provide adequate shielding. Second one, container integrity. The integrity of the storage container is crucial to prevent the release of a radioactive material. The containers should be designed, fabricated, and inspected to meet rigorous quality assurance standard. Regular inspections and maintenance programs should be implemented to ensure the continued integrity of the containers over the long term storage period. And third one, radiational protection. Dry storage system should incorporate effective ratio and radiation shielding to protect workers, the public, and the environment from radiation exposure. Advocate shielding materials such as steel, concerns, and lead should be used to minimize ratios of radiation emissions. Strict radiation protection measure includes monitoring and surveillance should be implemented to ensure the dry storage system compliance with the regular limits. Fourth one, security. Spent nuclear fuel storage facility should have robot security measures in place to prevent unauthorized access and mitigate the risk of sabotage or theft. This includes physical barriers, access control, surveillance system, and trained security personnel. Security personnel plans and producers should be regularly reviewed and updated to address evolving threats. Environmental monitoring. Continuous monitoring of the storage environment is essential to detect any abnormal conditions or potential leaks. Monitoring system should include radiation detectors temperature sensors, humidity sensors, and other relevant parameters. Regular environmental sampling and analysis should be conducted to ensure that there are no leaks or release for radioactive material. And sixth one, emergency preparedness. Preparedness. Compassion's emergency preparedness plans should be developed and regularly tested to address potential accidents or incidents. This plan should include producers for responding to abnormal events such as container failures, natural disasters, or security breaches. Advocate training and drill should be conducted to ensure that personnel are prepared to handle emergencies effectively. So, regulator oversight. Regulator oversight, robust regulatory oversight is essential to ensure the safety of dry storage operations. Regulatory authorities should enforce rigorous standards and regularly inspect the storage facilities to verify compliance. They should also require the operations to maintain detailed recovery of records of storage operations, maintenance activities, and safe assignments. It is important to note that specific safety practices and regular may vary depending on the country and regulatory framework. Brazilian nuclear power plants should adhere to national regulations and international safety standards such as those recommended by the International Atomic Energy Agencies. IAEA full form is International Atomic Energy Agency. The safe storage of spent nuclear fuel of almost utmost importance to ensure the protection of people and environment from potential radiation hazards. In Brazil, the long term dry storage of spent nuclear fuel is carried out at Angra nuclear power plant, which operates two pressurized water reactors. The dry storage system used at the Angra nuclear power plant consists of concerned cases that are designed to withstand extreme environmental conditions such as high temperatures and pressures, earthquakes, and floods. The cakes are also designed to prevent the release of radioactive materials into the environment in the event of accident or natural disaster. To ensure the safe operation of the dry storage system, several safety aspects are taken into consideration. This includes first one, design and construction. The dry storage casks are designed and constructed to meet strict safety requirements and regulations such as those established by the Brazilian Nuclear Energy Commission. Established by the Brazil Nuclear Energy Election Commission. It- the cakes are also periodically inspected and tested to ensure the integrity and safety. Second one, radiation protection. The dry storage area is designed to minimize the exposure of workers and the public to radiations. The case the casks are shielded with material such as lead and concerned to reduce radiation levels. Third one, security. The dry storage area is protected by security measures, including surveillance cameras, perimeter fencing, and security person. This helps prevent unauthorized access and potential security breaches. Emergency preparedness. Emergency response plans are in place to address potential accidents or incidents that could occur during the storage of spent nuclear fuel. These plans, these plans include produced for responding to natural disaster, fires, and other emergencies. And fifth one, monitoring and maintenance. The dry storage system is continuously monitored for any signs of degradation or potential safety hazard. Regulation, maintenance, and inspections are conducted to ensure the system remains in good condition. Overall, the safe storage of spent nuclear fuel in dry storage cask is well established practice, and the Angran nuclear power plant has implemented several safety measures to ensure the safe long term. Thank you.